Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change server in Genshin Impact. In Genshin Impact, your game progress is tied to the specific server you choose. In order to change between servers, open up your Genshin Impact application on your device first. At the Start Game screen, go ahead and tap on the server selection button, which is currently showing as Asia in my case. After you tap on it, you will then get to choose a different server. Click or tap on the server you wish to switch to. Now, confirm your selection by tapping Confirm, and you can proceed to start the game on the newly selected server. So that is how you can easily select a different server in Genshin Impact. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.